Hello, the date is the 4th of February 2020 and it was my mum's birthday on the 1st of February a few days ago, and we have a sign from Jehovah God now. It's the moon, look, just above my window. That was my bedroom window that you could see, and there we have the moon shining very brightly above my house. And the thing is, the moon is right on the nose of Taurus, the bull, the constellation of Taurus. And of course my star sign is Taurus. I was born on the 29th of April 1967, so I am a Taurian according to astrology there. So I thought it was interesting. That's my bedroom window, and as I say, the moon's straight up above my house in Taurus. So this is definitely a sign from Jehovah that he is with me, and I am planning to take down Watchtower, to destroy Watchtower, the Jehovah's Witnesses, the cult of Jehovah's Witnesses. And I believe Jehovah has given me the date now. I will destroy Watchtower before the 30th of April 2020. So my birthday is on the 29th of April. So I believe Jehovah has been telling me through signs that I will in fact destroy Watchtower very, very soon. But there's prophecies that must come true that I've prophesied on my YouTube channel. So it will be interesting to see if all this happens or not. But yeah, that's my bedroom, that's my house at the back. My bedroom faces directly north. So there we have it. Beautiful moon that tonight, straight above my house. Okay, bye for now.